Hey everybody, it's Kathy Villafane, and I'm coming to you today with some Saturday love. There's so many great things happening in Hinesville and so many new businesses that I want to share with you.
Good morning, this is Kim Robinson from k&mxtremeclean. Here at k&mxtremeclean, we offer commercial and residential cleaning. We offer a 10% military discount to any of our cleans. Includes move-out cleans, move-in cleans, office cleans, commercial space cleaning, getting anything ready to be viewed, to be sold, or to be rented. You can contact us on Facebook or Instagram at k&mxtremeclean. You can also call us at 912-980-6605. Or you can email us at k&mxtremeclean912@gmail.com.
Thanks for joining me today, and until next time on Saturday Love.